In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable music haptics on iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load up, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu, and I continue scrolling down through the list until I spot music haptics. When I see it, I tap on music haptics, and that takes me into the section where I can control the feature. Alright, now that I'm here on the music haptics screen, I look for the toggle labelled music haptics and tap it to turn the feature on. The change applies immediately, so there's nothing else I need to confirm or save. If I ever want to disable it later, I can come right back here and tap the same toggle again to switch it off. I pause here for a moment just to make sure the settings stayed enabled and everything looks right. Once I'm satisfied, I start backing out through the menu step by step, heading back toward the main screens. Anytime you want to revisit it, you just open Settings, go into Accessibility, tap Music Haptics, and toggle the feature again. Sometimes I'll remain on the screen for a second and switch the toggle off and back on just to confirm everything is responding properly before leaving. It's quick to test and helps make sure the setting is behaving the way I expect. I might also scroll around slightly within the menu just to get familiar with what else is available in the section. Taking that extra moment makes it easier to navigate later without having to search for it again. After backing out, I usually pause briefly on the home screen before continuing with whatever I was doing, just to feel confident that the change is already in place, and that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to enable music haptics on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to return and adjust whenever you need.